Minds coming again with Foundation of Civilization and our changing world, and we have had a massive change down in Mexico. Yesterday, February 22nd, 2026, Nemesio Rubén Oseguera Cervantes, known as El Mencho, the head of the Jalisco New Generation Cartel, was killed in Tapala, Mexico, by Mexican security forces. The cartel is based in Jalisco, has been one of the most aggressive in its attacks on the military, including military helicopters, and it pioneered launching explosives from drones and installing mines. The cartel is famous for recruiting former military and police with special training. So, the Mexican Special Forces, their SWAT teams, in fact, I believe they've actually recruited several U.S. SWAT teams. Or special forces. In a knee-jerk reaction, the cartel Sicarios, their gunmen, rushed into the streets and struck anything related to the government, shooting at police officers, firemen, burning cars, buses, Costco. Gunmen even overran the airport, the Guadalajara airport, sending passengers fleeing onto the tarmac. The gunmen even set fire to a plane. And you can see actually some of that action here in the videos. The U.S. Embassy has issued a shelter-in-place order for many cities in the Mexican state of Jalisco. The roads are dangerous with checkpoints manned by the cartel gunmen, and they now have tank traps. They have dug up the roads so that the armored vehicles can't pass, and they they used local heavy equipment to conduct these operations. The cities in focus are Puerto Vallarta y Guadalajara, but any city even close to Jalisco could be dangerous now. There are a number of, I believe it's 6 Mexican states that are under threat, under an emergency order, and it's very dangerous down there. As you can see from much of the video, there's a lot of fires going on right now, a lot of gun battles. So be careful. If you can, contact your family and make sure they're safe. I don't know what to tell you, but this is a huge change, a huge shift in policy. And let's be honest, this is not Mexican policy. This is U.S. policy. The Mexican government was directed, guided to conduct these operations, and they followed through, and now Mexico, well, Mexico's in flames. Please like, share, and subscribe. I look forward to talking to you guys again very soon, and hope that you are doing well. Hope you're prepared for the changes and challenges that are coming in our world. Thanks very much. Talk to you later. Bye.